guys, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA, and a big congratulations, Pravish, to you because the show is doing great, and Achal to you because you are a new part of the show and you're being very warmly accepted. So a big congratulations for that to both of you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so now, my first question, would be, first question to you is Pravish. Of course, people loved you, when you and, Aura played Bondita and, everything. So when the transition happened, which was a very natural transition of, Bondita, being grown up, but, having someone else playing the character of Bondita, but not Aura. So how were the initial days for you, or when you got this news that a Bondita badi hongi and Pune ko your play karega? So how did you take all this news?
So we knew the inevitable change which had to come. We were all aware about it, but it was always that kab hoga, when will this change happen? We never wanted it to happen, but of course there was a question that when will the story progress? Every story goes ahead, and about the change happening, we were shooting in Gujarat, and Aanchal was shooting for some other show under the same production house. So she's coming for the look test and also. Aanchal and Aura also spending quite some time together, and even I was there that time. So the transition was very smooth. So it was pretty smooth to accept it also.
Right. Okay, but I'm pretty sure that apart from Aanchal, there were a lot of actors, not a few of actors who were also pitted for this character. So somewhat of time, did you that maybe Aanchal should get this part, or were you mad who will get this part? Anything which you thought during that process?
Yeah, so there were many auditions that were taking place. We had quite a few look tests. We had quite a few mock shoots. Like I had a few mock shoots with some other actresses as well, and I don't know. I can't judge. I don't have that ability. I feel to judge someone based on how they're doing something. But I felt it. I felt just good doing that mock shoot, the scene with Aanchal. So the director, he asked me that, who do you feel? After everything, he asked me after every mock shoot. So I gave I just said whatever I felt. So during Aanchal also I said whatever I felt, and eventually Aanchal became Bondita.
Right. Okay. Achal, coming to you, of course, character which is already played by someone, and then people accepting it, it's always a bit difficult. So how did you because there was a bit of criticism also happening that we can't see anyone except from Aura, which is very natural. But how did you took everything within your stride?
Initially, I was very scared, very nervous. मेरे दिमाग में बहुत कुछ चल रहा था. तो but the day I started shooting for the show, I mean सब चीजें बहुत smoothly हो गई, और अभी तक मुझे believe नहीं होता कि अच्छा ये character मैं play कर रही हूँ, and मेरे को almost 2 months होने आया that I'm shooting. So जिस दिन मैंने shoot करना start किया, everything went well. पहले मैं बहुत nervous थी, बहुत scared थी, but now it's cool.
Right. And, what do you think? Why, what was the reason, the production or the people you picked as Bondita? Because a few actresses were also there. So if you think there's any reason that they choose you ultimately?
I don't know. Maybe my cuteness.
Okay. Okay, and how much, of course, when this, thing happened, you becoming a part of the show, you playing this character, how much has Pravish helped you in this, whole journey of making you comfortable and, making you aware about the world of, Anirudh and Bondita?
I think mock shoot जब भी मैंने प्रविश के साथ किया था, तभी मुझे समझ में आ गया था he is very understanding, very caring. थोड़ी छोटी चीजें जो छोटी Bondita कहती थी, वो कहता था कि ये टाइम पे वो ऐसे करती थी. तो वो छोटी चीजें में प्रविश helps me.
Right. And, Pravish, how is that? Because, you had a very different chemistry with Aura, while we were portraying the character. And of course, you had a very different chemistry with Aanchal. So, as an actor, did you, आपको किस तरह से कुछ preparation करना पड़ा या अपने तरफ से कुछ extra effort देना पड़ा? How was that transition of those chemistries?
Yeah, so like you said it right, the dimension of the relation has changed of mine with Aura and with Aanchal. like with Choti Bondita and Badi Bondita. But what remains is the mental level matching, and somewhere, somehow, I don't know, it's very unusual and yet magical to say, my mental level matched a lot with Aura, and in the same way, it resonates with Anshul also. So that's how it gets really simple and fun.
Right. Okay, and do you guys remember, like starting with Achal, the initial day when you people started shooting with each other? So, like, do you guys know each other from, like from a long time, or did you people actually got to know when you people started shooting with each other? Starting with Achal.
I knew प्रविष्ट, मैंने इसकी बहुत बातें सुनी थी, बट मुझे हमने शूट करना जब स्टार्ट किया तब मैं इसे जानने लगी, पहचानने लगी. पहले तो बिकॉज वी वर फ्रॉम द सेम प्रोडक्शन हाउस, वी वर डूइंग द शोज विद द सेम, तो मतलब ऐसी बातें होती थी कि अच्छा ये ऐसा है वैसा है, एंड 80% ऑफ द चीजें राइट है. तो
उसको डिस्क्राइब करो, ऐसा वैसा राइट मतलब अच्छी है या बुरी, मतलब यू नीड टू स्पेसिफाई दैट राइट नाउ.
ऐसा वैसा मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा शांत है, बहुत ही ज्यादा डिसिप्लिन है. तो हाँ.
Right. What about you, Pravish?
Yeah, so I'd heard because the same production house, she was doing a show on some other channel, and because it's the same production house, people were talking about that show. People like from our set were talking about the actors over there. So all I heard about Anshul that she's a very good actor. She's a very nice actor, and she's very down to earth, very disciplined. Like, I'm not repeating what she said for me, but that's what I heard about her.
Right.
So, and all of it is wrong.
All of it is wrong.
I just said it for the sake of it, so that you get some good quirky thing to cut and make a promo. Yeah.
Okay.
No, so all of it is right.
Yeah. So, okay, what is one scene of you people which you have shot and you thought, that what actually, it clicked, and you people both thought that, yeah, now we are at that right pace and, we are at there as Anirudh and Bondita. So, what was that scene for you? Pravish, if you can start.
Okay, so I don't know. I wanted you to let Anshul answer the question first.
Anshul,
now that you've asked me, now that you've asked me, I'll say it. So I felt it at the mock shoot, very honestly. Like,
yeah, मैं भी same बोलने वाली थी, same.
So I was like, I didn't want to feed this answer to her. But
no,
I said it. So anyway, so being honest, I felt it at the mock shoot somehow, some way. Although I didn't want to say it out loud that time, because what if someone else was finalized, and then it would be very weird for me. Like, if not for anyone else, at least for me, I wouldn't be able to be true to myself. So, like, luckily, I am being able to be true to myself. So I felt it at the mock shoot.
Right. Actually, the same thing, or if you have a different answer?
मैंने कहा मैं वही बोलने वाली
थी. Okay. So last few questions I'm gonna ask you. To the first day till now, it's been it's been 2 months. Okay. How has the journey of with each other as a co-star? So starting with Achal, journey कैसे रही है प्रविश के साथ as a co-star within this 2 months?
पहली बात मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि मैं प्रविश के साथ मैच नहीं कर पाऊंगी, बिकॉज मैं बहुत कम बात करती हूँ. मैंने सुना था कि प्रविश भी बहुत कम बात करता है, वो ज्यादा घुलता मिलता नहीं है. मुझे ऐसा लगा था यार वे भी नहीं होगी फ्रेंडशिप, बहुत कम हम सिर्फ सीन्स करेंगे, बट ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत इजीली हो गया. एंड एवरी डे वो फ्रेंडशिप ग्रो हुई है और हो रही है.
Okay, Pravish, anything which you want to say?
What should I say? It's been a fun process, and it has only progressed, and I just feel it will go further.
Right. Okay, quickly then, what's the best thing which you really like about each other? It can be as an actor, it can be as a person.
I like कि प्रविश says things to the point. मतलब वो sugar coat नहीं करता है चीजें, उसे जो भी feel होता है he says, he's super honest. ये चीज मुझे उसकी बहुत.
So what do I like about Anshul? She's very smart. She knows where to say, what to say, how much to say, and how to say it. Like, I'm learning that from her. It's a very good thing. Like, and I'm just learning that.
Right. Okay, what is the one
and
thing
just one more thing, she works very hard. So that too is very a very nice thing.
Okay. What is the one thing which you don't like that much about each other? It's not like on a very big level you don't like. It's like a normal thing you don't like. So yeah, Pravish.
Actually, you're asking me the question
Yeah.
first. Wow.
Yeah.
You're framing it very nicely. Yeah, nice. Okay, so what I don't like is Achal knows what to say, how to say, when to say, and what not to say. If you know what I mean.
Okay. Same question to you. What you don't like that much about Pravish?
Now I'll say he's super honest.
I knew this was coming.
No. I'll not say this. What I don't like about him. Whenever I sleep on the set, मतलब जब भी मुझे free time मिलता है, I sleep. ये मुझे आके उठा देता है. So that is the thing I don't like.
I feel that you're not supposed to sleep on set. You're supposed to be active.
Right. Okay. Among you two, who's the listener and who's the chatterbox?
For the entire world, both of us are the listeners. And for each other, I feel both of us are chatterboxes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Describe that one scene of yours जो आपने अब तक किया है and वो आप दोनों का काफी favorite रहा. Like you really thought you have nailed, as actors and as Bondita and Anirudh. So Pravish, starting from you.
Hey, why do you always start these questions?
Okay, Achal, starting from you. Let's keep Pravish for some time. Starting from you.
I don't think कि कोई ऐसे पर्टिकुलर सीन है. सारे सीन्स हम करते हैं, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मेरे पास ऐसे कोई पर्टिकुलर सीन नहीं है कहने के लिए.
Okay, now Pravish, it's your chance.
I should have answered this first. So like pretty much all the scenes, and I like those scenes more where like I'm not talking on the top of my voice. I'm just talking with in an undertone with Bondita, and Bondita's understanding me, and it's like few words and more of emotion there. Like I just love those scenes. And as actors, I don't know. I can't judge myself acting. I can't judge anyone acting because I see the show from a very biased point of view. I know what's happening behind the camera, what happened that time, and so I just know too much about it, which I feel hampers my art of judging the entire thing. So I just hope that people like our acting, and I just hope people don't find it acting. They just feel that we're living the characters. That's all.
Right. Okay, who laughs most during a scene? Suppose if it's a serious scene, and who has this habit of just laughing out?
Let the guilty person laugh.
नहीं, sorry.
See, I just told you.
No. ऐसे हंसते नहीं. मैं ऐसे हंसती नहीं हूँ. बट कभी कभी से कुछ चीजें फनी लगती है तो मेरी हंसी निकल जाती है. एंड मैं प्रविश को देखती हूँ, मैं और हंसने लगती हूँ. तो हाँ.
Okay.
और फिर हम सब हंसने लगते हैं और फिर.
Okay. Last thing I wanted to ask, one habit of yours, if there is, if you can imitate about each other, if you find a very typical habit about each other, starting with Achal. Chalo, now you have to, and this so you can't copy.
Wow.
Pravish.
Thank you, Kennedy.
Welcome.
I don't know. I can't imitate him.
I can't imitate her.
इसे ये इसीलिए पता बिकॉज ये सब चीजें मेरी इमिटेट करता रहता है सेट पे, इसलिए ये आंसर दे पा रहा है.
बट कुछ तो होगा टिपिकल जो प्रविश करता होगा, कोई टिपिकल हैबिट उनका कुछ भी, इफ यू हैव नोटिस्ड.
तो यार
you see.
Okay, cool. No worries. Then Pravish, if anything which you have, noticed about Achal, any particular?
Yeah, the way she talks, I always imitate her. She'll say something and I just repeat the line after her, like I just did.
Right. Shut
up.
Okay, so guys, on this note, my last question to you is to Pravish. You, of course, when this transition happened, okay, your character has to mature a lot. So this transition as an actor, how much was it difficult or how much was it easy for you?
So I don't know how to scale it on the easy to difficult scale, but it was different, it was fun, and it is still I'm still in that process. So majorly my costume has changed, so I've started feeling differently because of the costume. Prior I used to wear the loose shirts with the suspenders or a pullover t-shirt. Like now my costume has changed. So that in like primarily that changes the entire thing for me because I start feeling a different way. And then every character, like if just trying to understand how people mature with age. I'm just trying to understand. I just hope I can play with honesty.
Right. And lastly, anything which you want to say, to the fans of Barrister Babu? Of course, when the new Bondita came, fans were a bit upset, which is very natural on their part. But then now they are coming to terms of liking with Achal also. So anything, now Achal, you start. You want to say, especially to the people who didn't like the fact that पहले change हुई Bondita, but अब आपको बहुत पसंद करे, तो उनको अगर कुछ भी कहना चाहे.
First of all, thank you. And we do appreciate all your efforts. पहले नहीं पसंद करते थे, but now gradually they have accepted it, and I do appreciate every little the effort which they do. I really love that. And just one thing, keep watching Barrister Babu.
Ravish, anything which you want to say?
Yes. So somewhere in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna said that if change is not gradual, it will be dangerous. And luckily, the entire change, the entire leap, and the change of Bondita from Choti Bondita to Badi Bondita has been very gradual. The love has come in gradually, and that's the best thing that can happen. Because if it happened very drastically, I feel it would go against the Gita. So I'm very happy it's going like by what Lord Krishna has said. So I just hope everything just gradually always just happens for the better, progresses. And also on this note, I'd like to say keep watching Barrister Babu on 8:30 or 8:45 as and when colors keeps changing the time. Just watch it on TV. It's fun. Like I've started watching it now on TV.
Okay. And any message you want to give to Bondita, to your fans, So any message? Sorry, you want to give Aura? I'm so sorry. And to your fans. So what would be that message?
Okay, so Aura and my fans, Aura ko I keep calling her and I keep talking to her, and she's nowadays pretty active on Instagram with new reels and all that, pretty cute dances. So the love is out there.
Right. And actually, if anything you want to say, to the people who actually, are Aura's fan, and now they've also started accepting, or anything you want to say to, Aura, what would be that?
Aura is a super talented girl. मैंने पहले भी कहा कि मैंने उसके साथ सिर्फ एक ही scene किया, and it was super fun. So just keep the love for everybody.
Right. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for this lovely interview, and I do hope कि Barrister Babu जो कर रहा है, जितना भी अच्छा करे, उसे कहीं ज़्यादा अच्छा करे और आपको बहुत सारा प्यार मिले. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kinali.
Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Bye.
Hi, I'm Pranali.
Hi, I'm Aura.
Hi, I'm Pravisht.
And you're watching us on Glitz Vision USA.